Welcome to Rama Meadow, a nature's paradise where dreams come alive. With lush green fields, majestic mountains, and colorful wildflowers, it's a canvas for unforgettable memories. Families and friends gather to enjoy picnics, sports, and laughter in this enchanting wilderness. Trek through mesmerizing trails, capturing panoramic views and the beauty of the outdoors. Rama Meadow is a place where every moment feels like a dream. Join us in this breathtaking adventure. Come explore and share your dreams at Rama Meadow.